Hi everyone, how are you guys? I'm hoping that you guys are doing well and welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Sadasa Amina and welcome to today's video, guys, as I'm going to show you how I achieved this look, guys, how I normally do my simple photo shoot makeup, guys. So let's start. Yeah, so for photoshoot makeup, I'm that kind of a person that I don't do too much makeup. But when it comes to photoshoot, the small type of makeup that I normally do, I have to make sure that I kinda use more products that I normally do. Yeah, so like for eyebrows, on a normal typical day, I just use for like my eyebrows, I just use Davis number 3 only. But for the photo shoot, I have to add black number 1 so that the eyebrows will pop out. I came to realize that when I just use Davis number 3 for photo shoot, it look like the eyebrow is kind of fading on one side. So I realized that when I add the black number 1, the eyebrows will pop out. Yeah, they will definitely pop out. So here I used Davis number 3 brown color, and then I added Davis number 1 to make sure that the eyebrows are popping up. Okay, are we together, guys? Yeah, so that's what I did. That's what I did, and the results definitely were beautiful. The eyebrows were snatching. The eyebrows were looking good, guys. Okay, yeah, and that's what you'll see me doing here. That's what you'll see me doing here. So because it's for the photo shoot, I want everything to pop out, and because I don't do too much makeup. I prefer just simple and just a small makeup. You understand? Yeah. That's what I normally do, and that's what I'll be doing. So guys, that's what I did on my eyebrows. And then after that, I conceal. After concealing, we are blending the concealer, and that is it.
Leave me, baby, don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever.
Yes, guys, so I'm done with my eyebrows. Now we are going to my foundation. And the foundation, if you can see, I've used a little bit more. Today I'm so generous. I'm so generous, okay? On a typical normal day, I just use very small amount of foundation, but today I'm too generous. So I want you want your face to pop, okay? So you have to use enough product, okay? Yeah, so you will see I have to cover everywhere and make sure that you're blending in well. You blend, like you blend, okay? Yeah, then I remembered I have to make my eyes pop before I continue the foundation. So after I have applied foundation, I normally let it sit for quite some time, and then I go back to my eyes. So I'm not an eyeshadow person, but then I had to do a little bit of color there. So because I had based with concealer when I was doing my brows, I just use a red kind of red, and a dark brown. And then after that, I'm not applying eyeliner. I'm using a normal black color eye pencil to on my waterline. to make my eyes pop and everything. And then I'll be using what we call mascara. Okay, then what I'm doing right now, I'm contouring my face, and you can see the how I'm contouring, because I'm using a little bit to today I'm too generous on this face. Yes, so I'm using enough product, and then now I do the I contour, and then I apply the highlighter also, and then now I blend in. Okay, then I use a highlighter because I want my nose to snatch, so I use a highlighter on the bridge of my nose. I make sure I had highlighted with bright powder, but then I'll use an highlighter again. I had contoured, sorry, but then I'm using highlighter again. On my lips, I'm going to lip line. I lip line, and then after that, I'm doing a lip ombre. So I'm using this dark maroon, and then I'm using a nude color to do lip ombre. Okay, a very simple one. It's very simple. You just apply the color that you want on your outer lip, and then on the middle lip you apply the nude color, and then after that I'm using gloss to make everything shine. And that is my makeup, guys. That is what I did. And then I sprayed the setting spray, and that is what I did, guys, to achieve this beautiful look, because the makeup was really popping. Yeah, the makeup was really popping, considering that the photographer was even that he could tell me that the makeup was popping. Yeah, yeah, guys, so that was it from me today. See you in the next video. Bye and kisses.